Ever feel like your business is a giant machine with a million moving parts, and you're the only one running around with a wrench, trying to keep it all from falling apart? What if you could build a second brain for your business? A digital brain that not only handles tasks but thinks, plans, and executes complex projects all on its own. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today, we're making it science fact. We're going to build a multi-step autonomous agent, a business brain from the ground up. This isn't just about automating a single email. It's about creating a system that can take a goal, break it down into steps, and see it through to completion, just like a star employee. So, grab your coffee, clear your desk, because you're about to become the architect of your company's future. Let's start with the big picture. What exactly is a multi-step autonomous agent? Imagine you tell your new business brain to launch a marketing campaign for our new product. A simple chatbot might just say, "Okay." But our agent? It will start thinking. First, it defines the objective. Increase product awareness and drive initial sales. Then it breaks it down. Step 1. Market research. It will browse the web to analyze competitors, identify our target audience, and find the best channels to reach them. Step 2. Content creation. It will generate ideas for blog posts, social media updates, and email newsletters, maybe even draft the copy itself. Step 3. Scheduling and execution. It will schedule the posts across different platforms, set up the email campaign, and push everything live. Step 4. Monitoring and reporting. It will track key metrics like engagement, click-through rates, and conversions, then compile a report on the campaign's performance. That's the power we're talking about. A complete end-to-end workflow executed automatically. To build this, we need a few key components. Think of it like a Lego set for your business operations. First, you need a master controller or an orchestrator. This is the core of our business brain. Its job is to take your high-level goal, understand it, and create a strategic plan. It's the project manager. It decides what needs to be done and in what order. For this, we can use large language models like GPT-4 or open-source alternatives. These models are brilliant at reasoning and planning. Next, you need a team of specialist agents. If the master controller is the manager, these are the employees with specific skills. You'll have a research agent that's an expert at finding information online. You'll have a writing agent that crafts compelling copy. You might have a coding agent that can write simple scripts or a data analysis agent that can interpret spreadsheets. Each agent is a smaller, focused AI model or a set of prompts designed for a specific task. By creating these specialists, you make the whole system more efficient and reliable. Instead of one AI trying to do everything, you have a team of experts working together. Now, how do these agents talk to each other? That brings us to the third component, the communication layer and memory. When the research agent finds some key customer insights, it needs a way to pass that information to the writing agent. This can be as simple as a shared document or a more complex database. This shared space is also the agent's memory. It remembers what it has done, what it has learned, and what the next step is. This long-term memory is crucial. It prevents the agent from repeating work and allows it to learn from past projects, getting smarter and more effective over time. Without memory, it would be like starting from zero every single day. The fourth and perhaps most exciting component is tools. An agent is only as good as the tools it can use. Just like you use a browser, a calendar, and an email client, your business brain needs access to digital tools. We can give it the ability to browse the web using APIs, send emails, post to social media, or even interact with your internal company software like a CRM or project management tool. This is what truly connects your agent to the real world and gives it the power to take action. It is the difference between an AI that can only talk and an AI that can actually do. Integrating tools via APIs is the bridge from digital thought to real-world execution. So let's walk through a practical example. Let's build a simple agent to handle customer support inquiries. The goal: resolve customer query about a late shipment. The master controller receives this goal. It breaks it down. Plan: 1. Find the customer's order details. 2. Check the shipment status with the courier. 3. Draft a personalized update for the customer. 4. Send the email and close the ticket. First, the master controller assigns the first task to the database agent. It gives it the customer's email and asks it to find the order number and tracking ID from the company's sales database. The database agent uses its tool, an API connection to the database, finds the information, and saves it to the shared memory. The master controller sees this is done and moves to the next step. It activates the tracking agent. This agent takes the tracking ID from memory and uses a courier's public API to get the latest shipment status. Let's say it finds out the package is delayed due to a logistics issue at a specific hub. It adds this note to the memory. Now the master controller activates the writing agent. Its instruction is, draft a polite and empathetic email to the customer, explaining the delay, providing the new estimated delivery date, and offering a 10% discount on their next purchase as an apology. The writing agent pulls the customer's name, the order details, and the reason for the delay from memory, and crafts a perfect email. It saves this draft back to memory. Finally, the master controller reviews the draft. If it meets the quality standards, it passes it to the email agent, which uses an email sending tool to send the message to the customer. Task complete. The entire process, from query to resolution, is handled in seconds, without any human intervention. And because it's all logged in memory, you have a perfect record of what happened. Getting started with this might sound daunting, but there are amazing frameworks out there that make it much easier. Tools like LangChain, AutoGen, and Crew AI are essentially toolkits for building these multi-agent systems. They provide the building blocks for creating agents, managing their communication, and connecting them to tools. You don't have to invent everything from scratch. You can start small. Maybe create an agent that just summarizes your daily news or sorts your emails. As you get more comfortable, you can add more steps, more agents, and more tools, gradually building up the complexity and capability of your business brain. Think about the possibilities. A business brain could manage your entire content pipeline, from brainstorming ideas to publishing and promoting articles. It could handle lead qualification, automatically researching new leads and scoring them based on your ideal customer profile before handing them off to the sales team. It could perform complex financial analysis, pulling data from multiple sources to generate insights and forecasts. This isn't about replacing people. It's about augmenting them. It's about freeing up your team from repetitive, time-consuming tasks so they can focus on what humans do best: creativity, strategic thinking, and building relationships. Imagine your team having an infinitely scalable, tireless assistant that works 24/7. That's the competitive edge we're talking about. The future of business isn't just about using AI, it's about orchestrating it. By building a multi-step autonomous agent, you are moving from being a user of AI to being a conductor of an AI-powered orchestra. You are creating a system that amplifies your strategic vision and executes it with precision and speed. The journey starts with a single step, a single agent. So, what's the first task you'll give to your new business brain? The possibilities are truly limitless, and the time to start building is now. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into building a business brain. I hope this sparked some ideas for how you can revolutionize your own workflows. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on leveraging AI to build the future of business. Let me know in the comments what kind of agent you would build first. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.